In this video, I am going to show you how to block and unblock a number from a Google Pixel phone. To block a number, I'm assuming it has came through as a call log. So basically, if someone rings you, you can go into your phone option and then go to the recent option. Then we can select the number that we are wanting to block. So say for example, if you notice this 0333 number, I'm going to hold my finger and long press and hit block. You will no longer receive calls or texts from this number. And then just hit the block option. Now to unblock that, we need to go to the three dots in the top right corner and then go to settings. Here there's an option for block numbers. If there was a number that I put in there by mistake, I would hit the X button and that would unblock the number. And that is how to block a number from your call log. However, if you wanted to block a contact, you could go in here, long press on the number and then block the number. And that would block this contact. We can unblock the number from this option instead of going into the specific blocked number setting.